Okay, so this video is designed to clarify how to accept a video chat invitation through either Zoom or Google Hangouts. So here's your main screen, and in the upper right hand corner you double check that you are signed in by seeing either your image or your name, and you're going to want to go to Gmail, which is your Google email. And if you have been invited to a event like I have, you will get an email that says invitation. It has the name of it. This was testing meeting email, the date and the time, and who sent it to you. So when I click on here, I can, reply yes, maybe, or no if I'm going to attend the meeting or not. If it's a Google Hangouts meeting, there will be an option to click this link to join. Or if it's a Zoom meeting, down here it will say join Zoom, and you'll click this one to join. Once you've RSVP'd, or even if you didn't RSVP or you didn't even look at the email, the event itself will still appear on your calendar. So if you go back to the Google Apps, the 9 dots, and you go to a calendar, this event was for the 25th. And so when I jump to the 25th of March, I can see here is, this is the meeting, and I click on it, and there's the choice right here to join the Zoom meeting. I can click this button or this link down here, and when I do so, it will open up Zoom, and it prompts me to open it, and I would now be connected if the other person was on the other side. But right now, because I'm the only person in the event, the person that's hosting it hasn't shown up yet, so I would just wait here.